A warm welcome to one and all. Myself Divya from class 9. I am here to give a small speech on Independence Day.
We celebrate the Independence Day as a national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. It is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15th August became a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolor flag at Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include march past, cultural programs, etc. In addition, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that sacrificed to gain this freedom, as they are the ones who struggled for our country. Furthermore, on this day, we forget our differences and unite as one true nation. Every schools, colleges, government offices also celebrate Independence Day by hoisting the flag. And they perform many activities, many performances of dance and singing patriotic songs. But because of the pandemic, it is not possible to celebrate as we were doing till 2019. If we are together to fight against the pandemic, our life can become normal again. Stay home, stay safe. Once again, happy Independence Day to one and all. Thank you.